This is little Sailor, and he is going to be about 65 to 75 pounds full grown. He's gonna be a little bit of a darker coat, and he's got some very cool markings. He's got little white toes, and then a white patch on his chest and on the top of his head. And he's got lots of energy. This is Stella. She is a female golden retriever. She's gonna be about 65 to 75 pounds full grown. She does have some white toes and some white markings on her chest and her chin. And she does have a very fun personality. This is Stetson. He is a male golden retriever, and he is going to be a more of a darker golden coat. And he is a happy